For more information and current price, I have included this product link in the description below. BLACK+DECKER 8000 BTU portable air conditioner. It cools, dehumidifies, and circulates air to stand up to summer heat. Offering immediate, uninterrupted comfort, this portable air conditioner features easy to use LED electronic controls and is quiet while you sleep. This unit comes with rolling castors and side carrying handles for easy to maneuver mobile comfort and everything needed for an effortless installation. It is sturdy, and included air filter can be easily cleaned and reused over and over. It keeps a room, home, bedroom, apartment, dorm or garage that is approximately 100 to 150 square feet or 10 into 12 foot room, pleasant and comfy during the summer months when the heat sets in. It can works in double hung or sliding windows only. We do not recommend it for crank windows. Moving it from room to room is quick and easy as you take advantage of the castors and integrated carry handles. Overall recommended.
I have included all product links in description. You can check out these links for more details and latest price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video and don't forget to hit the like button.